Hey everybody, Sharon here from LNA Little Flowers. Welcome to my channel. I have here a photo album, super interactive. Yay! That's my daughter off in the background.
Yeah.
So, let's get right to it. The paper collection I used is the Enchanted Swan by Dot Crafts Paper Mania. This was gotten from the UK. I have yet to find it in the US. If you have found it in the US, please leave it in the comment below so I can get more. I love that paper.
I love it too.
Okay, so on here.
There's all swans on it.
Yeah. Okay, these flowers right here are from Prima. They're Prima flowers. These two right here are from Wild Orchid Crafts. These bead sprays I had in my stash. This is some Christmas
Swan.
Fern.
No Christmas swan.
Fern type stuff. These right here I got from, where did I get them? I think I got them off of Amazon, and I stickled them and put some, some diamond glaze on it. And diamond glaze, for anybody that doesn't know, I got off of Amazon, and it's just, what is that called? It's just like glossy accents. So, and I put Swarovski crystal in the center of them. So, and this was a snowflake. You've seen them around at Michael's and stuff during Christmas time. This is a Prima butterfly. And here's a Martha Stewart punch butterfly that I cut out, stickled, and did the diamond glaze on it. So lots of pretty stuff on the front. The spine. Here's a snowflake. And here's a little bit of lace with a bling by the roll on the back. Leave it to be a 3-inch spine. And here we have the back. And it is a tied closure. So let's open it up and see what we got in here. Oh, before I forget, here's the diamond glaze. It's by Judkins or Judykins or whatever is that. Good stuff. I also used Art Glitter Glue. There's no glitter in here, but it's super strong and it dries clear. It's great stuff and fast. So I also used Beacon Fabri-Tac. And I used an array of tapes, double-sided adhesive. This is score tape, and these I got off of Amazon, and they're really good. Okay, now we're ready for the inside. Yay! The inside. Okay, this is page 1. Again, Martha Stewart punch butterfly, stickled and diamond glazed. This flower I had in my stash, made from a previous thing, and I had put some small, little bit of color in there so it wasn't completely white. And this flower was from Michael's. It was plain, so I stickled, glazed it, and put this large crystal in the center. This one I got from, I can't remember. Okay. This is a giant skeleton leaf. Giant. And I got it from Amazon. Yay! So, and the bottom is lace that I had in my stash and bling behind the roll. And here, another butterfly. And this just opens up. It is a magnet right there. Opens up. This I had in my stash. And this. So lots of room for photos. You know, put a photo here, photo on that side. And this side is lots of fun. This I got from Sugar Pink Boutique off of Etsy. She has a fabulous shop. Go check her out. These are Swarovski crystals. I can never say that name. So I will refer to them as diamond-like crystals. So more punches. Punch out butterflies. That doesn't sound good. Butterfly punch outs. I don't know. I'll say more butterflies. You know where they're coming from. Okay, this goes up like that. There's a little swan there. So pictures or journaling. And then it opens up. It opens up gatefold. More stickles. Another butterfly. But this one, instead, I didn't want to put the crystals on, the diamond-like crystals on here, because then it would make impressions in the paper, and I didn't want that. So I used silver stickles, and it gave a nice effect to it. So, and this right here can come up to stick a photo back there. So lots of room, and comes out with a pull out. Look how big that pull out is. That is room for photos, writing, whatever your heart's desire. Sound a little bit like Cinderella there. It's okay, I like her. Okay. The next page. Okay, here we have a cat, as you can see. Isn't that just cute? 3 diamond-like crystals, a little tag, a butterfly that was just glazed over, and some of my freehand. I thought that was cute. And a nice little pocket. Another butterfly. And this is also a magnet, and it comes out. Room for photos, journaling. And this one has just a tag for a photo, write about it, whatever you need to. And it comes up, so, oops, photo mat. And here is a sparkling one. Ooh, sparklers. And a vellum pocket. And more of this trim lace. And I'm bling on a roll. So this collection kind of reminded me of like a Christmas swan. I don't know, because it looks like there's like Christmas trees. So I don't know, you be the judge. So here I have another tag, stickled and glazed with some more stickles, but pinkish hue. Nothing on the back, but it just slides in there like that. And this is fun. This lace I had in my stash. And it goes up like that. Little pocket. And then down. And all this is stickled. You can see all that's stickled. So you have room for photos right there. Oh, and then it goes down. Look at that. And up. So, lots of fun there. Another pull out. I'm not going to pull it all the way out. Okay. Let's get them away. Okay. Oh, here we have another fun page. This I had in my stash. More bling. This flower I had in my stash along with this giant flatback pearl. Another butterfly. It opens up. See, look at all the stickles. stickles everywhere. There's sparkly stuff that you put down. And that opens up, so we have room for photos and journaling. This opens up, more of the same, and a small pocket here. So, and this butterfly here also has some of those Swarovski crystals. Oh, no, that was on the next page. Okay. This one, little rosette trim. I put it on both sides. And more lace. And some of this trim right here. And then I went around with crystals like that. Another butterfly, stickled and glazed. And then this comes down. It's not really a pocket. It's there to fool you. And it is magnet. And then it comes up. And here I have a giant snowflake. And here, that just opens up like that. So, oops. And another pull out. Okay. This one was super fun. This trim also came from Sugar Pink Boutique. This is a magnet as well. Opens up, more stickles. Another butterfly. More stickles around here. And a tag with a belly band. So, I mean, you could just load up some pictures in there and, you know, go to town. So, and this one is super cute. This pocket I made out of, I want to say some acetate type stuff. Yeah, and it comes out, it's like a smaller book, and it opens up, and each one of them. Okay, so that's pretty cool. And then each one of these is a tag. So if I can find the, so you could put a picture on here, this, lots of stuff, and it fits neat right in its own little home. See, just like that. And here I have these 3 flowers came from Wild Orchid Crafts, and more of this Christmas fern stuff, and another flower. Oh, and in between these I had this trim, or it wasn't really lace, but it was very sparkly, and I thought it went perfect with this. This one was, of course, was a larger space, larger gusset because of this, but in the rest of them it's only a single. So, alright, and we're almost done. Like I said, this is a super interactive book. This entire swan here was glazed, diamond glazed. And here I have some trim, gleam, oh, and another piece of lace right there. And room for photos. Opens up to room for photos down there. And here I have a tag. And so room for photos. And here we have another giant skeleton leaf, another Prima flower, more Christmas trim, silver, and lots of room for pictures. So, and that is the end. I know, I wish I could go on forever. that is this photo album. It is giant. It's big. So super chunky and super interactive. This is for sale at my Etsy shop right now. Go have a look and I got other things as well. So thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching. Please hit that subscribe button right in here. And don't forget to hit the like and leave me a nice comment. Do you have any questions? Love to answer them as best I can. Alright. And as always, happy crafting. Later.